guys, happy Saturday. I wanted to vlog today. I just kind of felt like vlogging. I haven't been posting a lot of vlogs, so I'm like, let's put a couple more on the channel. So yeah, that's why I'm vlogging today. So it is just me and baby girl. Mr. went out of town today, so it's just us girls at the house. So we are going to, well, right now we're actually out thrifting. I got people looking at me. I'm trying to, there we go, position it. We're actually out thrifting, and yeah, I just left the thrift store here. There's another one that just opened up I'm about to go to. I think it's like pretty big. I know it's like looking at me. I don't care. But yeah, it's actually another one that we're about to go to. They just opened up that's like really big. So I want to see what they have there. I did get a couple of things out of this one. So depending on what I find at that one, I might do like a complete separate haul. But if I don't find anything else, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. But yeah, so I've been really trying to get back into thrifting because I feel like that makes my style more creative and my looks more creative and stuff. And I used to do it all the time back when I lived in Columbus, like right when I first moved there for like the first couple years. Like I used to stay in the thrift store, like that was my thing. And I just feel like I was a lot more creative then, and I'm trying to get myself all the way back. Your girl is, she's making her way back, just really rediscovering my style and all that stuff, since turning 30 and having a baby and all that stuff. Just really, just really getting my groove back, I guess you could say, for lack of better words. But yeah, just really getting my groove back and all that. So yeah, I'm like, you know what, let me, oh, damn, that sun's hot. Burning my hand. But yeah, like, so yeah, I'm just going to the thrift store. I'm actually gonna take my hair down tonight too, because I'm over it. It's like getting a little nappy and stuff. I don't like when it starts getting like that. It's matting up and stuff like that. So I mean, it still look good, I guess, but I'm over it, and I'm going out of town next weekend and I want a new look. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to the thrift store, not thrift store, I don't know if I'm going to the hair store today. I might wait and just go Monday and just like throw a bun in my head tonight when I take this out. But enough rambling, let's go off to the next store and let's see what they have going on. And so I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, I just pulled up and it is freaking packed out here, y'all. Let me show y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like this is like the most packed I've ever seen like a thrift store. Let me like get out the car so you guys can really taking pictures stuff. Let me show y'all. Like, oh my god, it is freaking packed out here, y'all. It is packed. Like they giving out like $1 shirts or something. Like I'm trying to figure it out, honey. Let me show y'all baby girl. Isn't she cute? I did her hair today. Her little puffs. Hey mama. Your little puffs. She took her shoes off, so cozy wozies. Okay, let's get inside. Saw it was like hella big. It felt like, seriously, like this is like the Forever 21 of thrift stores, just of like, because of how much stuff they had. It was like crazy, but it was organized. And yeah, so it was, yeah, I could appreciate that. Like they really had stuff sized and stuff like that. So that was pretty good. But it's a little overpriced. Certain items was a little higher than others, which I can kind of understand, like more of the higher name brands, but it's just like, when you go to Goodwill and other stores, like everything is for the most part the same price unless it's just brand spanking new. And you know, of course, they have additional off, like for instance at Goodwill, like certain colors be discounted, but they didn't have that there. I don't know if they will later on. Like I said, this is like a brand new store here, so it's only open for like a couple days, so I'm thinking maybe they'll do that, you know, once it dies down. But yeah, it looks like it's definitely different than any thrift store I've been in. Like they had like drinks and like a snack, you know, aisle. Well, not a snack aisle, but you know, like at the register where they have like snacks and stuff. Like they had that. Now I don't really see that at thrift stores like that. So we have had our baths and we are about to relax and watch a movie. Ain't that right, Mama? Yeah. So I rented little, stop. I rented little from, okay. I rented little from the Red Box. So that's what we're going to watch now. I don't know what I'm doing. I cannot get it to play. Okay. Press the wrong button. Crap. Okay. I finally got it.